Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay, students. Today I am back with new topic pronouns. This is not the new topic for you because we are doing pronouns from the second standard. Okay, let's start the topic. Listen to the topic of pronouns very carefully. Words used in the place of nouns are called pronouns. First of all, you have to understand that what are the nouns. What are the nouns? Nouns are the name of a place, person or a thing. Like bed, chair, man, woman, boy, girl, dog, bat, house, school, city, country, all are these nouns. Okay, I am going to explain you with some example so that it will be clear to you. First example is Savita is riding a bicycle. Savita is riding a bicycle. Savita stopped at the garden to play. Here is the name Savita. In first line, I am writing name. Again in second line, I am using Savita. This is a wrong pattern. If I have talked about once about Savita, then next time I have to use pronoun. Savita is noun, the name of a person. Then I replaced Savita with she. She is pronoun. Now look at this sentence again. Savita is riding a bicycle. She stopped at the garden to play. The sense is same, but I have replaced the noun with pronoun. Savita is riding a bicycle. She stopped at the garden to play. Students, I hope you got the concept of pronoun, that what are the pronouns. Next time when I will ask what are the pronouns, you have to explain me in brief. There are some more examples of pronoun: I, he, she, it, her, his, ours, theirs, hers and yours. Now here are some sentences. I am feeling very hungry. What is the pronoun? I. Rita and Sita are twins. They study in the same class. Rita and Sita. I have plural number. I am talking about two persons, Rita and Sita. So I am using they instead of two names. If here is Rita, then I use she. But यहाँ पे two names की बात हो रही है. So I have written they. So they pronoun. Would you like to have some tea? You. You is pronoun. We are watching TV. We. Okay. Now different kinds of pronouns. Today we will do 4 type of pronouns. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. If you will listen to me carefully, you can understand very well. Move forward to personal pronouns. A personal pronoun stands for a person or an object. Personal pronoun is a very simple form of pronoun. First, we have to learn about first person, second person, third person and singular plural numbers. First person, I, me, mine. When I talk about me, when we talk about us. And plural form, we, ours, us. Second person, you, yours. Plural form, you, yours. Third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it. They, theirs, them. I will explain it. Some examples are here of personal pronoun. Seema is not well. She went to visit the doctor. I have used she in place of Seema. Seema is a girl, so I have used she. The computer is new. Computer is an object, so I have used it in place of computer. It is a gift from mother. Now see this. I told you about Rohan and showed you the red car that was his. कि मैंने आपको रोहन के बारे में बताया और आपको ये शो किया कि जो ये रेड कार है ये उसकी है. किसकी है? रोहन की. नाउ आई इज़ फर्स्ट पर्सन. आई इज़ फर्स्ट पर्सन, स्पीकर. मैं बात कर रही हूँ आपसे तो मैं क्या हूँ? स्पीकर. आई टोल्ड यू सेकेंड पर्सन, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड पर्सन, द पर्सन स्पोकन टू, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं एट प्रेजेंट. अबाउट रोहन एंड शोड यू द रेड कार दैट वॉज हिज थर्ड पर्सन. थर्ड पर्सन, द पर्सन दैट द स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, कि जिसके बारे में आप और मैं बात कर रहे हैं, थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में. अंडरस्टूड? आई फर्स्ट पर्सन, यू सेकेंड पर्सन, हिज थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन स्पीकर, सेकेंड पर्सन द पर्सन स्पोकन टू, जिससे बात हो रही है. थर्ड पर्सन द पर्सन दैट द स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, कि जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज एन एक्सरसाइज ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. फर्स्ट इज Reena was crying because Dash was lost in the forest. Reena is a girl, so we have used she in the place of Reena. She was lost in the forest. Riya and Sia are sisters. They study in the same class. We have done it before that here we are talking about more than one person. So, Riya and Sia are the plural numbers. So, we are writing they. Jay is too young to go to school alone. So, Dash goes to school with Ramu. Jay is a boy. So, I am writing he in place of Jay. He brought many gifts for Dash. He brought many gifts for him. Next kind of pronoun is possessive pronoun. A person that shows possession and ownership is called a possessive pronoun. Ownership या possession. Possession क्या होता है? कि किसी के ऊपर किसी चीज़ का right होना. वो हम examples के through समझेंगे. Example, his, hers, theirs, mine, yours, are. If you remember, we have done this concept in third standard. All the toys were his. अब यानी toys पे possession है boy का, यानी toys किसके हैं? boy के. So I am using his. She brought a new dress in that packet. The packet is hers. तो यहाँ पे हर्स जो है वो पोजेशन शो कर रहा है कि ये न्यू ड्रेस गर्ल की है. हर्स. द पेंटिंग बिलोंग टू द बडिंग आर्टिस्ट. दे आर देयर्स. पेंटिंग किसकी है? बडिंग आर्टिस्ट. प्लूरल नंबर, सो आई हैव यूज्ड दे, देयर्स. देयर्स इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ दे. This is very easy to identify that we are writing possessive pronouns at the end of the sentence. His, hers, theirs, ours, yours, mine. Always we write possessive pronouns at the end of the sentence. Filling in the blanks with using possessive pronouns given in the brackets. I shall carry my own bag and you should carry dash. Options are here: mine, yours, ours. Here my pronoun is I. These cars belong to my neighbors. Even these bikes are dash. Neighbors. आपको these को नहीं highlight करना. First of all, you have to understand the sentence, what the sentence is saying. These cars belong to my neighbors. Even these bikes are dash. Here, we are talking about neighbors. So, what is the plural form? Theirs. कि जो हमारे neighbors हैं, ये बाइक भी उनकी हैं. He brought a new pen. The pen is, he का क्या होगा? His. It's very simple. He brought a new pen. The pen is his. I colored this painting. This painting is, I का क्या होगा? Mine. This painting is mine. I, mine, she, hers. Look at here. I, mine, she, hers, he, his, we, ours, you, yours, they, theirs, it, its. Only in possessive pronouns, not in personal pronoun. Personal pronoun में आएगा me, she, her, he, him, we, are, you, your. But in possessive pronouns, we will write like this. Third kind of pronoun is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that are used to point out people or things they stand for. When we point out something, this is very easy. This, that, these, those are the demonstrative pronouns. Singular number is this or that and plural is these or those. This is a gift for you. We are pointing a gift. These are the boys. We are pointing the boys. These are the boys who came to meet the principal. That was my friend. Now I am pointing the friend. That was my friend who came from London last week. So, fourth is our interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. When we ask questions from someone. Here are question words: who, whose, whom. Used for asking questions about persons. Who is she? Whose pencil is this? What? Used for asking questions about things. What is this? What are you doing? Which? Used for asking a choice among different possibilities. Like, which of these sweets do you want? When? Used for asking time. When are you going? When you will reach? Examples: who is calling me? Whom do you want to meet? Which of these sweets do you want? What do you know? So, interrogative means interrogation. कि किसी से कुछ भी पूछना. Interrogation. Interrogative pronouns. I hope you understood this concept. In online classes, I will ask the concept of pronouns. So, you have to read all the different kinds of pronouns which you have done today. This is very easy if you will focus carefully. So, students, this was your concept. I am sending you a worksheet. Okay, students, have a nice day. Bye-bye.